for the past 10 days ng last week of July, naging sobrang busy kami. First is a celebration of Reese's birthday. So yun, ginanap yun sa lugar nila Paul, sa labas ng Winnipeg, na pinagamit sa amin ni Paul yung kanilang lugar. We have a space there to have those kids para maligo sa pool, to experience the jacuzzi, and that is a fun time para sa mga kids, especially during summer. Maganda yung naging outcome, naging masaya yung mga bata, especially with Reese na kasama yung mga classmates niya and even mga pinsan. So we really had fun on that one.
Mababaw lang ba yung dito?
Medyo mababaw lang.
Happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, cha-cha-cha! Oh.
Kasi!
Thank you, Tita po.
Thank you, everyone. Say thank you, everyone.
Now, after a few days, another celebration for yung mom ni Aisha. For today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa South Beach kasi today is the 70th birthday ng mommy ni Aisha. Kaya we're going to celebrate there together with the kids. Ayan. Ito si Arya, si Cassie, saka si Rizzy. Ngayon sila Aisha nagpapa-check-in or nagche-check-in ngayon doon. Then, set up kami ng mga pagkain. And syempre, yung swimming pool ulit. Swimming pool party ng mga bata. Right, Ate Rizzy?
Yeah. I'm going to go underwater.
You're going to underwater? Andiyan na sila?
Yeah, look.
I think. Okay, that's good. Say cheese!
Cheese. What about me?
So, nag-celebrate naman kami sa South Beach Casino in which some of the family relatives went there. So, another swimming and syempre yung mga bata ulit nag-enjoy ulit sa swimming pool dito sa may South Beach Casino. And South Beach Hotel and Casino. Ayan. Tapos kami naman, we stayed there for one night. We try to enjoy the place and even the company of yung mga pinsan. Yan, yung mga magpipinsan. Sila Aisha, sila Kuya Rolly, sila Paul, si Ilang Billy. So lahat kami magkakasama kami doon sa isang room. Ay hindi, sa isang hotel. Tapos yung ibang mga relatives and guests na kasama namin is nag-check-in din doon. So maraming salamat doon sa mga pumunta. And as you can see, handaan per handaan. Maraming maraming mga events. And syempre yung pagpapaluto, pagpe-prepare, it's not easy. Pagkatapos ng South Beach and Casino, dumiretso naman after a few days ulit. Ayan, another celebration. It's a celebration of Arya's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arya. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Arya 1,
Arya 2, Arya 3, Arya 4, Arya 5. Blow. Yay!
So for the past 2 celebrations ng mga birthdays and events, we just decided na mag-Kidopia. Yan, mag-Kidopia from 2 p.m. until closing until 6 p.m. So we have a small gathering, a small celebration for the kids. Magpipinsan, andyan sila KD, andyan sila Sia, and even yung mga ibang mga kaibigan nila Rizzy and Cassie. So we really had fun doing that. So a simple celebration, and so lahat yan magastos, lahat yan it involves money, lahat yan involves some preparation. You have to take time to off to work just to let them see that you're supporting them, feel them important. And I think that's the best And I think for me, that's how it should supposed to be. You're always be there when the kids needed you. You're always be there when some events or celebration is going to happen. Pero that is something that you keep on those memories, on your archives of videos, na kung saan hindi mo pwedeng palagpasin. Maraming mga pagsubok, maraming mga challenges, but despite of those challenges, sasabihin na lang natin sa sarili natin, kanino ba natin ginagawa yung mga yan. Yun yung mga bagay na wag mong papalagpasin. When buhay Canada, well, we have our own priorities, we have our own goals. So yan lang yung mga naging events namin for the past few days. And yeah, this is a story time. So ganito na lang muna ulit. So a good shoutout kay Bon na laging nanonood ng video na to and appreciate kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Shoutout sa aking kapatid. Ganun din sa nagbigay ng t-shirt na to. I think this t-shirt is around 8 years old. Yeah, I think this t-shirt is an 8 years old na. So a good shoutout to Alan Gonowan, isa yan sa mga butchers na nakilala natin 8 years ago na ngayon nasa Brandon, Manitoba. Yan. Good shoutout. Salamat Alan. Buhay pa tong t-shirt na to. Yan. It's in good shape pa. So yan. Maraming salamat din sa mga nagme-message. Again, yan. Nandiyan pa rin si Ricky Mechanic. Maraming salamat kay Ricky Mechanic na lagi nanonood ng video. And kay Kuyat. At Kuyat. Napakatagal mo na akong viewer. Subaybay kayo. Nakasubaybay. Kay Emerson and Pinoy nung nasa Dubai ako, ngayon nandito na sa Canada, ingat palagi. And for those people na sumusubaybay, kahit ang video natin will be about story time na lang, maraming salamat and I hope na meron kayong mga natutunan or sabihin na lang natin nag-update yan. Nag-update ng buhay namin dito sa Canada. And for more videos, just click on the subscribe button and marami pang niluluto. Hindi ko pa siya talaga pwedeng mailabas ngayon. And ayun, si Maynard, yan. Maynard, alam niya kung ano yung mga pinagagawa namin or ano yung pinagagawa natin dito. And also, magiging busy na naman ako ulit. Kumbaga yung busyness ko ng schedule namin from July, madadagdagan ulit. Magpre-prepare na naman for another season of Maples Basketball.
Kay Partial yung purutan na yan. Walang kabahid-bahid.
We're happy na umabot ka sa cutout.
We're happy na buti ka na managlag.
We're not competing with anybody, with any league.
We have our own identity.
Ang
Salamat tayo sa
dito
pagkain.
is camaraderie, ganito.
And kainan.
Family. We encourage yung mga family nyo pumunta sa
Family day.
Tapos na pagalingan, papogi na
Gadget mo lang.
Ayaw mo po
Okay.
magpapatangkad.
Kung medyo competitive pa kayo, pwede naman kayo maglaro sa sa LPAM.
Ba't mo naman in-interview liga ko pa? Hindi mo makakaway nyo ah.
Patuloy mo na sana, look for JP.
So ito, nanonood ngayon si Albert. Anong masasabi mo?
Ay, live ba?
Oh, hindi pa.
Oo.
Edit ko lang.
Sayang, wala ka. Pero, nandiyan naman si JP. No
Shoutout kay Albert.
No
Nanonood sa
problem.
Pilipinas.
Shoutout. Good morning, Philippines. Yeah, good morning, Philippines. Ang aga mo na ito, nagising matulog-tulog ka din. Matulog ka
Yun.
rin. Ay, malalaman mo na first game ng ng laro nyo.
So wala kasing live. So shoutout kay Albert
Yeah,
na nasa
live,
Pilipinas. No live. Kaya delay na lang to. Alam niya na. Pero ito yung nangyari.
Kakampi ko pala si Maynard. Hindi pala pwede patay na. Wala nang bawian.
Wala na.
Friday may mga malalaki.
Malalaki itong...
Ano yun ang Maples Basketball kasi is more on may kasamang basketball na sinamahan ng kainan. Yun yung goal ng grupo or ng basketball organization na yun. And recently lang din nagkaroon kami ng bunutan. So for another season 10 of basketball. So ayan. So a good shout out to Albert na nasa Pilipinas. Yan, nanonood sa atin dito. So again, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Makitrip at makitravel dito sa buhay sa Canada and we'll see you on to the next one. Peace.